Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice Marsh gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off Road package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust. We got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear. We got a black platform script running board, mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpeted interior. We got cup holders and storage, 2 USB-Cs with rear vents and some bronze accents, with a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 27 kilometers. We get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage, cup holders, even get a little storage underneath. You got some outlets here. Got that center console with tons more storage. Drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive. We get a trailer brake with this vehicle. We get our climate controls, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, upper and lower storage. We got storage on the dash as well. Hill descent, traction, and hazards with your backup camera. We have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls. Your fave apps such as messaging and email. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up here in your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB76660, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call if interested.